Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the Strands game. The idea here is to make words by going from one letter to an adjacent letter, including diagonally. And today we're making words that fit the theme. It could be verse. Now, I don't think that's mocking somebody's accent who can't say the word worse. I think it's an abstract clue about poetry, especially because I can see poetry in the grid. That does go yellow to indicate that that is indeed the connection. So it could be verse was just an abstract clue, as I said. Poetry is the actual group. So we're looking for types of poems, such as a haiku and a limerick. There once was a puzzle solver called Neil. I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm not going to be able to solve this puzzle whilst I'm making a limerick up. Anyway, we've got an epic and a ballad. Oh, an elegy. Not the most common type. But there we go. What about the last two? Acrostic. I think of that more as a puzzle than a poem, but I suppose it works. And then we will end with some Shakespeare and a sonnet. So, I surprised myself with how many different forms of poetry I knew there, actually. I'd heard of all of them. Not the most obvious ones, but I couldn't tell you the difference between most of them, but at least I'd heard of them. So, we didn't need any hints. It is a perfect Strands game. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.